Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to claim the Kobalt warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. Just visit the Warranty Valet website if you are unsure how to make a warranty claim with Kobalt, as our website contains essential information needed for the warranty claim process. You can understand the Kobalt warranty claim process in 3 simple steps. We have also provided the phone number 888-356-2258 and available Monday-Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST. Please remember that Kobalt does not have a specific website, and everything about Kobalt is taken care of by Lowe's. Visiting the Lowe's website will help you find solutions for your warranty claims. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Contact Us and FAQs options to reach out to the customer support team. On the contact page, there is an extensive range of contact numbers for various departments. However, you should dial the number under the heading Repairs, Warranties, and Protection Plans. It is advisable to contact them using the number I provided earlier in this video. You are eligible for a replacement of defective products under the warranty period if you have the purchase receipt. They will provide a reference number, which you can give to a nearby Lowe's store to get your replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.